Is Colmex Pro safe for trade or not? In this video, we'll review the Colmex Pro, which I use. So we'll talk about the Colmex Pro. So before we go to review the Colmex Pro, just make sure to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. So before we go to review the Colmex Pro, I want to tell you some point about some broker I used. I use eToro and almost 3 or 4 broker for a long time, but eToro and all of the rest of the broker takes a lot of fee actually. But in Colmex Pro, which is good point, is you don't need to pay too much fee to the broker. So that's very point for me, and also good option for me to use Colmex Pro. But before, so just search Colmex Pro on Google, and then you can see this web page. So if you go to the website, you can see this website, and then so let me just going step by step. On the top of that, you can see, so we have 3 or 4 different platforms. So we have Colmex Pro, so we have web trader, desktop, mobile, and MetaTrader, and also on desktop or mobile. So multi-trader, so it can be web, it can be desktop, it can be also mobile. So and also, so you can, if you come to the founding, so you can see, so you can deposit by credit card, bank, and also wire transfer details. So you can just go up there, and but we want to see, is it safe or not? So if you come down, so this is some normal details, you can see it also. So but if we are coming down here and you want to see the Colmex Pro is safe or not, so we can see Colmex Pro is regulated by Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. So if you search CySec on Google, and then I always search it, so we can see, if you go to that website, so this is the Cyprus Exchange Commission, and then you can see all the details. If I write Colmex Pro just up there and click on that, so you can see the Colmex Pro is exited and also created in 2014. And if you click on that, so you can see all the details about the Colmex Pro just here. So it's totally safe, and also you can see it's just, let me just go back to the and show you exactly how it looks like this whole option. So you can see all the details about the Colmex Pro, and then you can just be sure this company is exited. So this is the address. We just copy this address, and then we go to the Google map. I just copied it already here, and then one more time. So you can see the Colmex Pro is just here and is located on Cyprus. If you're coming a little up, so if you don't know, so where is the Cyprus, is just here. So we're coming down again, and then you want to see Colmex Pro office. If you come down, so you can see some picture about the Colmex Pro. There is some bunch of the picture, so you can see it. So this is about the Colmex Pro is safe or not. Of course it is safe, and also I use it for almost 1 year, so it's very good also support actually. So they can call you, they always attention to you, to what you need, and they will help you about everything. So don't worry about the support is very nice, and they will answer you as very quick and also fast. So if you go back to the home page, so you can see you can download on your phone, and they have also some different platform as you can use. But if you want to use Colmex Pro, just start, even you already trade in different market, just be sure and start with a demo account, because it takes a little time to be friendly with this platform. So just start with demo account. It's very good to you to know about how it works. Of course I will put some video about how you can use the Colmex Pro. It's already also in internet, so you can use it, but I will also put some point. I couldn't find it actually, but I asked about this point from support, and they will help me about how can I set up my chart and everything. But I will make also some video about that one. So if we go back to the app, and then I will tell you about why I use Colmexpro. So this point is very important for me. I will show you how and how much is different actually. So you can see on the picture and on my screen, so we have some bunch of this stock, and of course you can trade the stock, crypto, and also forex. So it's very also good, so you have this option. But the point I want to show you is here. If you click on some of stock, all of them is low fee actually. Is very low fee, is almost nothing. For example, if I open order entry, and then the point is here, just also you should also be careful when you choose this one, like here is orange, and also choose this one orange to change and match with this chart. That's take me so when I start to use Colmexpro, I didn't know how can I connect this so watch list and also this chart, but here is also a little color button, so you just choose it, and the watch list and also the chart and all these item will match together. So just click on one of these, and then if I can see, yeah, so here we have Afrium, or we can click on Tesla, Netflix, Tesla. So Tesla is here, and this takes TQQ maybe, yeah. So TQQ or Tesla is totally fine, or we take Afrium. So if you see Afrium, you pay only 1 point to broker. For example, if you buy 1,000 share, you only pay $10 to the broker. This is a spread. This is low spread for you guys. So if you want to use and pay lower fee, use Colmexpro, because this amount is almost nothing. I also trade in eToro and some bunch of the brokers. They takes a lot of money and fee and also spread. So but the Colmexpro takes only very small amount. It's almost nothing. So that's why I use Colmexpro. And also we check all this data, and let me show you. So just to start with demo account, and let me show you how I found also and about the Withdrawal. And the Withdrawal, so you just came here and click on the Withdrawal funds, and then you put the details, an email and account number, and then you go to the Withdrawal page actually. So it takes maybe 2 or 3 business days actually. So yeah, and then the money will back to your account. I already did so many times, but you have to have margin free in your account, otherwise they didn't return the money if you have open position. So if you want to withdraw, so you have to have free margin in your account, and then they take that amount from your account and then withdraw to your bank or your credit card. So that was how it worked. And the point is here, if you want to use the Colmexpro, and so the one point is here, if you use this link, but if you go to one of my video, you will see one link here, and from link here, so you go to the sign up page from Colmexpro. So if you click on that, you go to the sign up page, and then if you go from here, you get 1 month's free fee to the broker. So you don't need to pay 1 month's fee to the broker. So that's very good option to you. So you just put your name here and email and submit it, and then you open a demo account. So you don't need to charge and use your credit card. So just open a demo account, and then you can use it. And if you get some more information, so the support will call you and all of this information. So if you go from that, then you get 1 month's free fee, and then you don't need to pay also 1 month. And let's see how calculated if you use that link also. And for example, if you say we have 20 days on the month, I mean working days, if you open 3 position, it get 60, and if you divide it to the $10, you almost save $600 if you open 1,000 share on the stock. So 600 you can save actually in only in 1 month. That's very good option for you. And of course it takes time to learn about this stock and also Forex or crypto, but you can use also crypto and Forex in Colmex Pro. So but the Colmex Pro is very good for a stock, especially. So you pay almost nothing to the broker. Thank you for watching. And of course, if you want to use and see my day trading, so you can just click and subscribe the channel, and I will put always my trade, and then you can see how it's working. Thank you for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, so just write in comment section, and then I will reply you back. So in the last, so I will also put some video about how you can use the Colmex Pro, and you can watch it also. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.